The ingredient used for the special chicken roast curry are 2 or 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, ginger garlic paste and 2 or 3 chilies. Chili you can use according to your taste. Before that, I will be cleaning the chicken thoroughly with fresh water and cut into small pieces. I cleaned the chicken thoroughly with water. And all the ingredients I added to this curry I have written in the description box given below. Onions are golden brown. So along the and kept close the lid until the onion become brown. Masalas for marinating the chicken are 2 tablespoons red chilli, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. I'll be adding tomato to the onion which will become golden brown and nicely saute it well under a low flame. Now I'll be adding all the masalas and marinate the chicken very well with all the masalas. One by one I will be adding and marinating the chicken for our roast. Marinate it very nicely. So each masala will enter inside the chicken's flavor. I will be making batter for the puri. So 2 cup atta I have taken and I put 2 tablespoons of semolina and add 1 cup of hot water and make it a proper dough for the puri. We'll nicely mix the water with all parts. After mixing, we will use our hands to prepare it a well dough. The chicken curry which I have kept under the low flame is ready now. I have kept it for 30 to 35 minutes and I have added not a single water. Now my